Hi, let's check the general guidance of the day.
Also, I'll check who is going to be a spirit animal for this day. So, right off the bat, I am seeing that you need to recover from something because something might have happened in your past or recently, which could have put you in a chaotic mindset. And now you just need to choose a new direction. Okay. That is what I can see for you. I can see whatever you want to manifest regarding your work life or your love life or anything in general. If you want something and that is giving you a really hard time, you are just recovering from a situation. Okay, so now you are in that healing phase and you have to figure out what you really want in your life. And then a year from now, I can see something big happening, like a new opportunity coming towards you. Okay, coming towards your way. It could be in love or your finances or your career, but trust me, there is something better on the horizon. And what you can do right now is ask for help. You have to be in that position to receive help from others. So you have to learn to receive, because sometimes you struggle with that. You struggle to receive help from others. At least accept what others are offering you for now, because that will actually open new doors for you. So there's nothing wrong in being genuine and letting people help you, because even you do that with the people you love, right? So yeah. Also with the vulture card, you are being very dramatic about a situation, and I'm not saying anything there's anything wrong with being dramatic, but in this situation it is not going to help you in any way, shape or form. Okay, so you will have to stop being dramatic about this situation, because you are in the process of recovering from your past and whatever you are experienced. And being dramatic about it is going to cause even more chaos, so don't do that. Okay, that is not going to be any helpful. I would ask you to meditate or get some clarity and cleanse your thoughts, cleanse yourself, cleanse your aura. Meditation can help you, or else chanting something, or maybe watching your favorite movie. But just slow down. You don't have to have all the answers right now, but just slow down, okay? You need some kind of balance in your life, and you will get that. So, a timeline for you is a year from now. It can be sooner, but for that, you will have to clear your thought and be very assertive about things. I'm not promoting fake positivity in any way, but you can at least show gratitude for what you have right now, and that will help. Okay, so if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can DM me or you can comment down below and follow me for more tarot guidance. Bye.